Today we are going to create poster with the help of CANVA AI. Without wasting much more time, let's get started. First we create a background for the poster using CANVA AI. Click on the CANVA AI, click on the image and type the prompt for the podium. And then change the style. I prefer cinematic and then change the ratio. And click on this arrow. Copy this prompt again and change the style to the vibrant. Now pick your favorite one and open it in an editor. Upload the product PNG. Remove the background and adjust it on a podium. Now go to the edit, go to the adjust and click on the auto adjust and adjust the intensity. Now scroll down and click on this blue color and adjust it as a background color. Now go to the elements, search for the white glow and add the white glow. Rotate it at 90 degrees. Then go to the edits, go to the filters and apply the filter so this glow looks realistic. Adjust this glow and send it to the backward. Again, go to the elements, search for the shadow, add the shadow and adjust it on the podium. Then adjust the transparency of the shadow. Now we are going to add text. Type the product name. Adjust the font size. Then change the font. Apply your favorite font. Then make it bold. Now just follow my process. We apply new one effect to the text because we are creating poster for the gaming mouse. Send this text to the backward. Now go to the elements and search for the line. Add this one and remove the point from one side and adjust it as I do. We are adding these lines to show product features. After adjusting these picture lines, send them to the backward and add the pictures. Now select the pictures and change the font. I prefer to universe font. Now add the short description. Now go to the elements, search for the shape and add rectangle shape and adjust it at the bottom of the poster. Now tap on this shape and type something like buy now, shop now or gear up now. Now select the text and increase the size. Make it bolder and change the font. And now increase the corner rounding.